So I hope you guys understand all of the previous material that are covered. So in this video, we're gonna talk about price flow. The VIX 75 moves in waves, and we as traders have to spot the waves. Price flow plays a role to help us to determine which direction has more strength. Price flow will show us the intent and non-intent of the market. Price flow is our helping hand when we open the charts. Let's see on the charts for examples. So price flow, guys, is basically what price is telling us. Is price in the impulsive way or is price in a corrective way? That is the two factors that I want you guys to understand about price flow. Is price impulse or is price correctively? So let's look at the example. So what we could have seen right here, price is basically in this scenario right here impulsively to the downside, price creating lower highs and lower lows, lower highs and lower lows. So on this other picture we can see price creating higher highs and higher lows. That is basically the simple of price flow. So what we could have seen right here at price flow is that price is basically moving to the side, and that is what we call a range. So after that range we can see price is rapidly moving to the downside. That is an impulse. So here we can see price break out of this previous structure, and there we can see we have our retracement, right? So after retracement we can see we have a range right here, and then price continue to the upside. Here we can see price come to the downside, back again, right, really slowly to the downside. So that is what we call a correction. So after a correction we can most likely expect some impulsive move to the upside. Here we can see that again we have a correction and an impulse. There we have a range and an impulse. There we have a retracement. There we have a range and an impulse. There we have a correction and impulse, right? So this is what you will most likely see on price flow. Price will give you an impulse and a correction. In the next video I will show you guys more on the charts so you guys can really understand what I mean about the impulse and our corrective. So but if you don't understand this video, guys, please go back to what I was basically talking about and take notes so you really can understand it, because why the next video is we're gonna take a look at on the charts.